I'm Sai Parnav. I'm a 17-year-old high school graduate from Vijayawada, and I've studied in Fiji in Vijayawada. So I'm very much interested in physics, and that is what I'm going to be majoring in my university. And apart from that, my other academic interests lie in math, philosophy, and psychology. A bit about myself is I like reading novels. I am a sports aficionado, especially soccer and cricket, and I also like to play board games a lot. Honestly, I think it was by coincidence that um, in my 10th grade, I was looking for a college counselor, someone to guide me through the college application process. And Agan was actually recommended to my father by one of his friends whose child has also gone through the same process with Venkat sir. So, yeah, it was a peer recommendation that I got to know Agent from. I think the best quality was accessibility at any time. Like Venkat sir was always accessible to answer any question and any query that I had, and he was just a phone call away. And it was not just limited to questions. If I just had something I need to figure out, whether it be a doubt or whether it be something that I required for one of my activities, Venkat sir was always a phone call away and ready to help with anything and everything. So I think the best part was accessibility. After my board exams in class 10, I started preparing for the SAT. And in August the same year, I gave the SAT. And in December, later in the same year, I gave my ACT as well. And in the May after my 11th grade, I gave 4 APs in Calculus BC, Physics C Mechanics, Physics C Electricity and Magnetism, and Chemistry. After that, in June, I gave IELTS. And this year in May, that is after my 12th grade, I gave psychology, AP psychology and AP microeconomics. Yes, I would definitely recommend IGEN. And uh, again, coming back to accessibility, I would just tell them to make use of the resources that AGEN gives. So again, um, there's so much Venkat sir can do to help you, and you just need you just need to be brave and confident, right? Fear doesn't give you anything. Even in classes, you should be confident in your ability to come back from a bad test, right? A bad practice test, for example, or confident in your ability to ask questions in class. So again, if there's any resources or any practice material or any guidance that you need, you can always ask Venkat sir. And just joining AGAN and being afraid that you might be judged, that's not going to work. Just make the best use of the resources available.